The same naman lang rin, Mr. Chair, na pag alis ni Secretary Remulla, alis din si Bernardo, baka pwedeng magtanong na kay Bernardo.
Hindi. Ang kasundan natin, pagbalik na lang, kasi hahaba eh. And they have work to do, so we are accommodating them in the same manner that we accommodated Alcantara, Engineer Alcantara, to be brought immediately to the DOJ for evaluation, for some procedure. Then after that, we can have all the time in the world. Maski hanggang madaling araw, kung gusto mong tanongin si Yusek Bernardo,
Sir, pero
you can.
ito, for the benefit of general question.
Hindi na, we're just postponing. We're not rejecting your request to propound questions.
Kasi sa akin kasi, sir, pag sabi niya ngayon dito, diretso kaagad file ng kaso sa DOJ without
Hindi,
us giving the benefit na makapagtanong man lang kung...
Sige, Senator.
I think the thing is that the Department of Justice, as much as possible, would like to evaluate first. They will not file any cases against anyone.
but subsequently, filing of cases will follow. Kung sana naman bago siya makonsider doon, dito muna sa atin. Dahil sa atin niya nilahad yung statement niya, so hindi naman niya nilahad sa DOJ, sa atin muna. So sana makapagtanong tayo bago natin turn over sa DOJ for their consideration.
Mr. Chair, I think the point...
Hearing is suspended.